Okay, today we're replacing the headlight bulbs on a 2013 Toyota Camry. So if you look in the owner's manual, you can see the type of light bulb it takes. 9005. You can buy these light bulbs at your local auto parts store or online. Again, 9005, you see there on the package, $16 a piece. I recommend replacing headlight bulbs as a pair. If you just replace one, the other one's probably going to burn out a month from now. So replace them in pairs. It's the best practice. To access these, you want to first remove the electrical connector. There's a little tab you squeeze and you pull off the connector, and you twist the light bulb to the side. It pulls out. You can see the little tabs on the side that are different sizes. This is the old bulb. You can kind of see the part number there. This is actually the original bulb, about 12 years old at the time of this recording. And remember, with halogen bulbs, you do not want to touch the glass with your bare hands because the oils from your fingers can negatively affect the halogen bulb. So you want to wear gloves when you're handling halogen bulbs. So we'll go ahead and install the new one. On the passenger side of the car, this bulb sits kind of just in front of the washer fluid reservoir. On the driver's side, the light bulb sits in front of the battery. Again, on a 2013 Toyota Camry. So again, you put it in at an angle, line up the tabs. You got to gently press it in and then turn it. So that connector is at 6 o'clock, like so. Then carefully reattach your wiring connector. And you'll hear it and feel it click. And I did the other side as well. You can see they're both working now. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.